Okay, student. Now today's topic is political parties. Now, what do you mean by political party? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. Now, it means that this group of people should have a common ideology, and they tries to establish the supremacy of their political party in the legislature by winning the elections. Next one is the component of political party. Now, political party generally consists of a leader, then the active members and the followers. Now, generally these active members are the full-time members of the party. Third one is the functions of political party. Now, first is that what are the functions of political parties? First one, candidates are put forward by political parties to contest elections. Now, if a candidate wants to contest elections, he must have to go through a particular political party where uh, that particular party should have a ideology, and the party members will work for that candidate so that he could win the elections. Next one is that party put forward their policies and programs for the voter to choose for them. Now, different political parties have different ideologies. Now, it is up to the voters who may accept it or may not accept it. Third one is that political parties play a major role in making laws for the country. Now, definitely, if a political party owns majority in the legislature, that party will form the government, and that party will make laws for the country. Now, party that own less seat in the legislature plays the role of oppositions party. Now, what do you mean by oppositions party? Oppositions party generally tries to criticize the policies of the government if the government does not work according to the laws of the constitutions or according to the needs of the people. Last one is that party shapes public opinion. Now, through different political parties, through different types of um, schemes, different types of policies, and thus it helps to shape public's opinion. Next thing, what you need to know about the political party system. Generally, three types of party system is there. One is one party system, next one is two party system, third one is multi party system. Now, what do you mean by one party system? Generally, one party is allowed to control the government. In one party system, uh, either that party rules and does not allows other to rule the country, generally one sort of dictatorship, maybe monarchical or maybe military dictatorship. Next one is a two party system. Now, two party system or bi party system, there you will find only two political parties exist. Example, case of USA, where republican and democratic parties are democrats parties are there, and in England you will find the Labour Party and the Conservative Party. Third one is the multi-party system, where more than two political parties exist. Example, India. Now, next one is that why political parties are facing crises of unpopularity and indifference. Now, why these political parties are means not gaining so much popularity nowadays? Generally, this happens in these third world countries, where you will find that most of the political parties leaders or the members are linked with different scam or corruptions, and thus it lose the faith or the trust among the people. Okay, next you need to know about the types of political parties in India. Now, there are national political parties and state parties. Now, these recognitions of national parties and state parties are given by the elections commissions. Now, elections commissions had set certain rules. Now, for national parties, um, to be a national party, a party must secure at least 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in four states. Okay, that means 6% assembly elections in 4 states, or party that secured at least 6% of total vote in Lok Sabha. Means two options are there, and with that at least 4 seats in Lok Sabha. Then it can be considered as national political party. Similarly, state party means party that secured 6% of total votes in elections to Vidhan Sabha of a state. Means during Vidhan Sabha elections, a particular party should secure 6% of the total votes in the state legislative assembly elections, and with that at least 2 seats in the Vidhan Sabha or the state legislative assembly of that concerned state. And this thing, it has been recognized, means it is this recognitions is given by elections commissions, that which parties will come under national political parties and which parties will consider as state parties, and that options already I had discussed. Next thing, you need to know about the some of the important political party. Now, first thing you need to know about the Indian National Congress. Year of establishment 1885. Founder A.O. Hume and the first president W.C. Banerjee. Features centric party, support secularism, welfare of the weaker sections of the minorities. Its symbol is a hand. Now, centric party means neither they will follow strict socialism and neither they will follow strict capitalism. Clear. Next one is BJP. Year of establishment 1980. Founder Syama Prasad Mukherjee. Now, features, generally they inspired from India's ancient culture values and rightist party. That means they are one sort of capitalist party, and it is also a secular party also. Symbol, it is lotus. Now, BSP, Bahujan Samajwadi Party. Year of establishment 1984. Founder Kansiram. Now, generally it wants to secure power for Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs and religious minorities. BSP generally fought for the marginalized class. Symbol, elephant. Now, CPIM, Communist Party of India, Marxist. Year of establishment 1964. And this party believes in Marxism, supports socialism, secularism, democracy, and opposes imperialism and communism. Socialism means this party wants to promote more government control in economic sector. Opposed to imperialism means when one country tries to go and capture another country, either they will dominate economically or politically. Now, this Communist Party of India, Marxist, are against imperialism, and communalism means when one particular community or the majority community dominates the minority community. Means no communalism, they does not support communalism. Symbol, sickle, hammer and star. Next is NCP, National Congress Party. Year of establishment 1999. Now, the founder is Sharad Pawar, P.A. Sangma and Tariq Anwar. It support democracy, secularism and social justice. Symbol, this watch, is this clock. Okay. Now, you need to know about the challenges to political parties. First one is the lack of internal democracy within the party. It means that the power is concentrated in the hands of few leaders. Ordinary members do not get sufficient information regarding the party. So it is one of the challenge. Next one is the dynastic succession. The top positions in many political parties were generally controlled by the members of one family, and that particular family members are getting the tickets in the elections. Now, this thing is also challenges to political parties. Third one is the money and muscle power. Now, through money and muscle powers, means one can dominate the other party members. Now, no meaningful choice to the voters. Generally, as most of the political leaders are generally tries to work for their own interest and thus does not follow a particular ideology. In each and every party we can observe this thing. Now, that is why no meaningful choice to the voters. Now, what are the reformations of political parties? First one is anti-defections law was passed. Now, you know that what is defections? Defections means changing party from which a person get elected to other party. Now, in order to stop this thing, anti-defections law was passed. Next one, there should be a state funding elections. Now, why state funding elections? Because in many cases you will see that the big parties gain lot of privileges from the big corporates of the country, and definitely they can win the elections. The last one is that there should be a quota for women in the decisions making bodies of the party. Okay, thank you.